to go and have a look at the Mary Valley Rattler. So it's a historic steam engine that runs from Gympie to Amamoor and return. You can get a ticket online through their website, $65 per person. They run a few times during the week. If you just go to their website, you can check out when they what timetables and everything that they run. A really great experience for kids. It looks like a fantastic old engine, so we're going to go up to the station now and check it out. Oh yes.
There it goes.
There it goes. Pretty awesome engineering, isn't it?
Well,
amazing.
200 years ago, it was quite clever, I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon.
To build that.
Yeah,
build it.
exactly. There we go, we've gone 180 degrees. So last night we arrived at Cedar Grove camping area. So it is near Imbil and Conondale. Really lovely little quiet spot. Lots of great big beautiful trees here. There's, if you can see in the background there's bush turkeys all around our campsite. Just spending today trying to do some repairs. So there's bits and pieces that obviously when you first start on the road that you didn't get done, or you knew, still needed to be done but hadn't got around to it, or things that have gone wrong since you started on the road. So I guess it's to be expected that you need to keep up with these kind of repairs. Anyway, this looks like a really beautiful spot. There's a couple of walks from here. There's a couple of short walks. There's a 5k walk. We haven't done those yet. And also lots of four-wheel driving in the Imbil State Forest and stuff. I believe the Charlie Moreland track and that is quite close here, so we might go check that out. It's supposed to be one of the top four-wheel driving areas, tracks in the area, so we'll go and test it out and see what it's all about. So I'll catch up with you on the track.
Yes, please.
What are we up to today, Daryl?
Catching up on a few things that we didn't get done when we left. Lots of little things that we're finding aren't working or have failed on us. Anderson plug on the back of the car is not connecting to the van, so I'm replacing both of these Anderson plugs. I've still got to do the one on the car, replace the bow shackles on the back, and our diesel heater wasn't working. It ended up with dirty fuel in it, so I've had to clean that out as well. So lots of little jobs seems to be ongoing. Hopefully we'll get them all sorted out in the next week or so.
I guess that's kind of going to be the norm anyway, and it wouldn't matter whether you had brand new equipment or old equipment.
I think yeah, you're going to always have little jobs to do, and this is just all part of it. It's the same as just a normal house. There's always something to do. So.
But basically, we've changed our whole lifestyle. So
yeah,
you know,
and we've got to get used to this new lifestyle and how things work.
And there's going to be issues that we're going to come across, and repacking, resorting, reorganising, so we get the optimum way we like things. Just some of the Charlie Moreland camp area. Pretty popular camping spot. National Park permit. Under Queensland National Parks and Wildlife. So we're just going down the Little Yabba Creek circuit. Little Yabba Creek. So Conodale National Park. So we're at the first stop off, I guess, on this route, which is the Lookout. Very nice view of the area. So we've stopped at Peters Creek Walk. Just a short little walk down to the creek here. That's there next to it. Oh, a tiny little waterfall up there. In season, I'd imagine that it flows over all of those. Anything living in there? Along the road. got the van up this far, but we've got to this point, we've taken a wrong turn somewhere, and the road just goes up and up and up. So you probably can't really tell from here, but anyway, we are not going up there with the van. We've come as far as we can. We have to turn around and go back and see if we can find the correct road. So we've already come up some pretty steep hills, and I mean it's all hilly here and gravel.
So 40% chance of rain. Yep, right.
So we've come to the end of part one of Kingaroy Country. We've had quite a collection of stuff that we did in that area. So basically part one is the end of the Amamoor, Imbil, Conondale Range area, Barumba Dam, and
Dam was the end of it. Yep.
we need you guys to come over and have a look at part two, which will take a look at a bit around Kingaroy, Coomba Falls, Muntapa Railway Tunnel, and Lake Perseverance, the Palm National Park.
It's one of the smallest national parks in Australia. Come and check that out.
Yeah, so, and yeah, if you want to keep looking at our videos on our adventures, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification button, and the like button, and of course any comments are welcome as well, and we'll try to answer any questions that you have for us. And yeah, we're looking forward to presenting part two for you of Kingaroy Country.
See ya.